What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to mine Pyrin coin on any Windows or laptop. So let's get started. Guys, before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While I upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification. Guys, in this video step by step I will show you how to mine Pyrin on your laptop or Windows PC. So guys, the very first thing is you need to open up a new tab and type unmineable.com. Once you are here guys, the unmineable miner allows you to mine different kind of cryptocurrencies such as the Bitcoin or meme coins. Also guys, this application is completely free and you can install it on your computer or laptop. So guys, I recommend you for the mining that you have to you need to have a best PC with the best hardware components to install the software and start mining any cryptocurrency, or with that is meme coin or Bitcoin. So guys, for downloading this software you have to click on the get started. Once you are here, so guys, you have to download the unminer because all the miners are included. So guys, there is the base. So if you download and install the base miner, you have to download the miner separately. In this case, you have to download the unminer that is around 126 MB. The next thing is guys, while you are downloading this software, so you have to turn off your antivirus, whether that is Windows security or any other antivirus, because they are detecting this file as a harmful file for the Windows. So guys, in this case today I'm going to show you how you can mine the Pyrin. Coin is available here. So guys, you can see Pryin is available right now here. You can mine it completely for free. Guys, as I've already downloaded the unmineable miner on my Windows PC and installed it successfully, so simply I will open the unmineable miner. So here is the unmineable miner. Once you open this, guys, you can see the fastest and easiest way to start mining your favorite crypto coins. Each and everything is covered in this miner that you can see. It is in front of you. All the miners is available. Once you click on the continue, it will automatically detecting the hardware, whether that is GPU or CPU. So guys, in this case I recommend you, if you are using a gaming PC, so easily you can mine different kind of cryptocurrency using the unmineable miner. So guys, you will be using the ETH cache algorithm. As I told you that unminer, the highest version will allow you to have the miner already. LOL miner 1.85 beta is executable for my hardware components. So guys, in this case simply click on the next option. Here you have to select the Pyrin. Here you have to enter your wallet address. The Pryin is currently listed on the xt.com Maxi. I'm using Maxi exchange for this. So guys, here is the Pryin. You can see guys, simply copy the wallet address of this token. So simply again come back to the unmineable miner, paste it here. You can see guys, the start button is now appear. You can start on that. So if you have any referral code, you can also enter it here. Guys, simply click on start. It will navigate you to the main mining window. There is the address right now. You can see it is in front of you. The coin, the payouts from 25 Pyrin algorithm, GPU and the miner mining at high intensity. So guys, if you want to bring any changes to the mining setting, simply click on the advanced setting. Here you can see guys, this is the GPU, this is the CPU. So GPU is automatically detected by the software, and this is the memory size of the GPU. You can see guys, it is 4 GB. You can select the 6 GB also. This is the ETH cache. This is the mining software for this. This is LOL miner. You can change the miner also from here, as I told you. SRB LOL miner 10 miner. This is the SRB miner. You can select it from here. The next thing is guys, you can select the mining intensity. You can change your port also. If you want to make any changes, simply click on save and restart. So guys, it will take about few minutes to give and start giving you the hash rate. Also guys, it depends also on your hardware components. So simply if you want to check the status of the mining, click on this link. It will automatically navigate you to the unmineable.com. This is the Pyrin. This is the address. You can check this box also. Here is the workers, and there is, you can see currently it is live, and this is the hub that you can check it here. This is the payments that you can see the status here. You can find out your referral link. If you share your referral link with other people, you can earn 0.25% of the mining reward. And this is the status of the mining that you can check it every 24 hours, 7 days or 30 days. So guys, this is the how you can mine the Pyrin token inside your laptop. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will catch you in the next one.